Finding the right replacement hermetic compressor is not a challenge anymore. In the cross-reference section, if you know it, enter the RCD item number if you're replacing a Totaline compressor. You can use a partial model number, and then choose the correct model from the drop-down. Then, at the bottom of the results, in the second field from the left, select Filter Current Only, and that will remove all obsolete models. Then you can use the other fields below the search results to narrow your search even more. Or if you're replacing a competitor's compressor, enter the original parts manufacturer number. Again, you can use a partial number. Click on the one you need, and there's your list of all the compressors within Totaline's inventory that can be used as replacements. And again, you'll want to filter out the obsolete items and narrow your search using additional criteria. If you don't know the original item or manufacturer numbers, no problem. For example, if you're trying to replace a Bristol, use the selection criteria fields to do a search based on compressor specs. You'll need to know the actual capacity or nominal tonnage, and the compressor type, voltage, refrigerant, and phase. And once again, the system returns a listing of all compatible compressors. And here in the upper right, you can access significance charts and nomenclature. You can also export the parts list to an Excel doc and use the drop-down menu here to select and search different product families if needed. And if you have any problems, contact customer service.